This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to collect your own Encyclopdia set, pop along to fanhome.com where you can find them for sale in many different territories across the world. So thank you once again to Fanhome for providing me with these books. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at what you get in each delivery. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to delivery number 19 of the Star Wars Encyclopedia. 4 more volumes of this expanding galaxy of information about Star Wars. Let me clear them out of the way, and in no particular order, we'll have a look at them one at a time. The first one I'm looking at today is this one, the Prologue to the Clone Wars and the First Battle of Geonosis. This is from the History and Events section. It is number on there somewhere, isn't it? There we go. Is it there? Yes, number 2, the second volume. I don't think I've got the first. Have I got the first one? I don't remember. But this is certainly the second one. So in here we have lots of things about Geonosis and Jedi Dreams and conflict, Master and Apprentice, lightsaber duels, and yeah, interesting stuff in here. Going back to the prequel trilogy, obviously. Looking at Clone Army, so this is going to be basically the second film. So the first one is going to be, first volume is going to be about the first film, isn't it? There we go. So yeah, looking through this, we've got Boba Fett and his dad, Separatists, Unity. There we go. Yeah, lots of stuff, memories from basically the Clone Wars. Begun the Clone Wars have, you know, this Judy, yeah, Anakin, growing up, falling in love. Sand, don't like sand, yeah. Reluctant leaders. Rescue trip is basically, it's the story of the Clone Wars, isn't it? Sith Lord's escape, Master and Apprentice, fighting it out. It's that, Tale of Two Armies, nice pictures and things on there. No, oh, they've got maps, strategy of the battle. Forces and Separatist forces. So yeah, that's quite cool, quite interesting. Pretty sure it's covered in another one as well, though. But you know, there we go. Next up, we have Mustafar and other planets on the Outer Rim. This is obviously Vader's stronghold, Mustafar, wasn't it? This is number 68 in the Galactic Atlas section. So yeah, all the different planets on there. I'm not going to try and pronounce many of those. We've got Mustafar, we've got Dark World, we've got Mon Cala, and lots of other ones there. If you want to look at ones that I'm not flicking to buy it yourself. That's the way these things work. So there we go. Mon Cala there, Water World. See where the Mon Calamarians come from. Dark World, obviously from comics. But yeah, we encountered that one before. Nevarro, heard of that. Was that in Obi-Wan? I think it was. Baru City, maybe from Mandalorian. Yes, it's Mandalorian. I knew it was from one of those TV shows. Go. Razor Crest there in all its glory. Rishi and the Rishi Moon. Quite cool, interesting looking moon. Yeah, all the different planets there. Rhodia. Cool, interesting stuff. The next one I have here is just the one. That one there. We've got the Assassin Security and Other Droids of War. War droids. It's obviously IG-88 by the looks of it, but might be the other one from Mandalorian, IG-11, I believe. Let's have a look. We have, yeah, IG series droids, 11, 86, 80, yeah, lots of IGs. U90, 4 LOMs, security droids. They look very I mean, they are a robot, but they look more robotic than a lot of the droids in Star Wars, don't they? They're humanoid, but only just. 11. Yeah, there we go. That's from the Mandalorian. Story of that. We've got 88. There's Bounty Hunter. EXD9. I wonder, does where the hyphen appears make a difference to how it's described or anything? It's EXD9 rather than EXD9. And we got 4A7. Would there be another droid that's 4A7? So yeah, there we go. K2SO from Rogue One. See more encounters of him with Jin. Imperial police droids. Interrogator droids. That's not that. That's Ed whatever from RoboCop, isn't it? It's yeah, no. Probe droids from the Siths. There you go. Right, the last one. Oh, Fox will like this one. I can't wait for Fox to look at this one. The heroes of Naboo and other characters of the galaxy. So basically anything we can't fit in. Characters and creatures, mainly featuring Jar Jar by the looks of it. Number 44. Bravo Squadron. Captain Pancake, yeah. Stuff about them. Blue Police Guards. In Tonra. I don't know, sort of comic book adaptations of things. Don't remember that. Maidens. Yeah, there we go. Jar Jar Binks, look. It's Jar Jar. You know you're waiting for him to turn up. He should have a book to himself, shouldn't he? Jar Jar in Exile. Action. Senator Jar Jar. His finest hour when he caused all the bad things that were going to happen. I reckon he's a Sith. He's even dressed like a Sith, isn't he? Look. Is it going to turn out that he's a knight? Oh, yeah. See, look. Evil Jar Jar. Boss Nass. There we go. So, yes, other creatures. Samples. Me. Oh, freedom and new family for a little while. So, little creatures from the Outer Rim and stuff. All good stuff. I enjoyed that. That was good. So, those 4 volumes turned up and will now be put in order on the shelf, making up the logo and everything on the spine. So, thank you very much for that. Next time is the 20th delivery. So, that'll be like 80 books in the series. So, we're getting closer towards the end, but there's still a few more to go. So, stick around. I shall see you in a month for another delivery of these. But there are other videos and other part works coming very, very shortly. So, if you want to see any of them, stick around and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.